Hi, baby.
Hi, you picked so fast. How you doing?
Oh, well, I'm good. And you?
I'm good. And how is the conference going?
Oh my God, my love, it's going so well, but so intense. Like, I barely have a moment to myself. I've just been moving around. They're calling me here and they're dragging me. Ah, my love, it's not easy. I met some people that you will like, tech minds like you. Yeah. So inspiring, but exhausting.
Can you imagine? You're always pushing yourself hard. I hope you've had something to eat.
Of course, trust me.
That's good. Trust you.
Babe, is your mom still around?
Yeah, she is, but she leaves today.
My God, so I'm gonna miss her again.
Yeah, and she was really hoping to see you this time. She asked of you twice already this morning. I told her you're not coming back yet. So she's like, you better come back before she grows some wings.
My love, you know what? Please just tell your mother that when next she comes to Vegas, I would personally go pick up on the airport myself, okay?
I'll tell her. I'm sure she'll like that. Honestly, I think she really likes you.
Hmm. And I like her too.
Okay. I have to start going. Thank you for being the best part of my morning.
Get to that again. I love you.
I love you too.
Do have a great day, okay?
All right, bye.
Beautiful morning. Today you're in London. Tomorrow it's Paris. See you then.
All right, my love.
Yeah.
Have a blessed day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sure.
Oh yeah, peace. Yeah. We're all set. Let's go.
No, sis, I am not going today.
Why? Did something happen?
I overheard Amaka. She was telling some people yesterday not to buy from us.
Why?
She said they shouldn't patronize us again because of me, that they can't eat food prepared by a blind girl.
She said that. And who told her that you're the one who is preparing the food? And what is this narrative of you being blind? You were never born blind. This is just a partial blindness that can be fixed with money. It's just poverty is just a very bad disease. I would have done it. And what if you're permanently blind? And what if you're the one even making the meal? Does that make you less of a person?
I know, sis. I don't want it to lose customers because of me. Don't worry, I'll stay at home. Just go, sis, I'll be fine.
You don't see that. I'm not going to lose customers because of you. Remember, you're my lucky charm. And I want you to ignore people like Amaka. They are the real problem of this world. Okay? Don't pay any attention to her. Besides, we have core customers who always patronize us. And I don't think any real human being will walk away from our spot simply because there's a beautiful blind girl sitting by the corner. Is that so? And even if they leave, no problem. It's none of our business. Another customer will come. More customers will come, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, my baby girl. Now, come on, let's go. Come on. Up.
No be taller be this. Taller. I dey find bro. How you doing now?
I know.
I beg, you know as we dey do am now, let me sell am. But this time around, me no pass 700, 750.
No, Alan.
How market now?
Go well, though.
Well done.
Go add the money for the last time.
That one I go so. Stop.
Okay, fine.
You know, believe say the trouser where I put money, I leave her for house. This one now, I just wear her this morning. Money no there. But I go sort you, Tola. Tola, why they put the?
I beg. I don't get this time this morning. You not even waste my time. Where the money where they owe me for the last time?
But that one a weekend, I tell you. This one I won't pay. I come on my house, I go pay, but now the trouser. Don't know why they do like this now.
I know one sell for you.
Don't make all
You
that
go
wire
pay me
me.
for the money where you do owe. Then you go come buy another one. I like that
I won't give you
Please,
this
let's
one.
go.
You know, say my house no far.
Come on for your
Tola,
bed.
you get how you go
Bye,
do it.
alright.
I know they buy your
Come
food
on for
again.
you, not rich.
Tola, see, you and your sister, when they walk out like say, I'm not
You say waiting. For that your life, for that your miserable life. You don't come and stand for your mouth. You feel like saying you're crazy.
Nobody go back for you.
Come on for you.
Nobody
You
go
go.
back for
You are not God.
Your mates dey restaurant, they push yellow woman.
Your mates get like you are God.
Don't worry. One of my people.
Come on for you.
More like this. That girl where they sell that food. The food is sweet. We chop this girl rice now mad.
Since you don't tell me about this guy, it's my self the rice.
I don't even see her here now. Customer.
No man, now usual.
As, you know as it be now, just make am dey normal.
I got you. Thank you. Don't make customer come for me.
This one na my guy. I just say make a drag am.
God bless you.
See my through what I hear. I don't hear am, but now I don't see with my koro eye.
Say
now blind person they follow and cook this food.
that one concern you. Even a blind person, no be blind person. Wetin me I know say the food. See people gather everywhere. They chop food. They say na blind person. Now everything wey they hear outside you go they talk.
Show for this Lagos, blind person cook food. Wait. How she take watch the rice, take put the maggi, take put the salt, put am for fire. Come see carry am come outside. No, I no fit to. This one na taboo.
Now you know.
I no fit.
Wetin me I know be say.
You better see I go chop gala and mineral dey okay.
Now you sabi that one. Wetin me I know say I dey hungry. I want chop.
I no chop.
If na blind person cook am, no be blind person cook am. The food sweet. See people dey gather the talk nonsense. He never no hungry. I want chop food. Now hunger never beat you. You know say na Lagos food. Now when hunger don flog you, na there you go know say no be village dey. You think say you go chop mama thank you.
Guy, I have finished the soup my mom made in just a few days. Right now, I just fixed myself noodles. You know what? I don't understand why you have refused to get it made. A maid? Your girlfriend and sisters hardly stay at home with you. I will never do that. Never. God forbid. Guy, don't you hear stories? I have seen and I have heard enough to know that that is rubbish. God forbid, guy. I will never do such a thing. Instead of that, I would rather eat white rice with oil. Or I will go outside and order food than to get a meat. Never. So how long are you going to go to live in fear? You know it's not every man that's bad. You know that. Guy, I beg. I use God beg. Just leave me in peace, please. I don't want to come back from work one day and carry soup that they cook for me and I'm seeing shampoo inside now. I beg. Just leave me. You're just paranoid, man. But I get it. You have got trust issues. Yeah, whatever. Martin. Guy, I beg. Let me call my babe. I'll call you later. All right, get yourself a girlfriend. I'll stop for me that guy. Good night, Joe. All right, good night.
I don't want you to worry about rent or bills or anything. That's why I'm here. But that's not enough reason for you to just stay here. How will I be sure that you'll be okay?
Please, I'll be fine, I promise. People there don't want blind girl like me. They don't want me. Sis, please just go. I'll be fine. I'll manage.
How about you come with me today? Then you can start staying home from Monday. How is that?
Are you sure? I don't want it to affect the sales.
It will not. It will not affect the sales. If you want, I can give you a minute to think about it. Or let's say maybe 30 seconds, 10 seconds. 3 seconds.
No, okay, let's go.
Fine. Thank you.
I bet if we reach where we dey buy food, now you go help me pay. I no hold cash.
Which kind of woman being you be safe? All the time now, only me they buy food for you. You know they shame.
I know they pay you back.
Which one be saying? You two they hold, you two they hold. I beg.
If you want help, you help.
I know they help.
Still help.
Okay, because you know I get soft hard. Tola the Tola.
Well done, Tola.
Tola fine girl.
Get people wait on place order since.
No wahala. Just calm down, do your thing. But Tola, you know say this your work where they do. You know easy as you they run helter skelter for year like this. You know get person where suppose they help you. At least maybe they join hand they help you now.
You know they see her sister for there. Now her sister be that now.
Aye. I want to send a customer. Why she consider like status for that? What did they happen?
You know they see say she blind.
Oh. Blind?
She blind.
Person wey blind suppose dey for house. What she come to do for here? Wetin be her usefulness for this shop?
Hey, you don't dey talk past yourself. Wetin dey worry you?
Wetin gonna bring that one now? If you come be your business now.
Sorry, ma.
No verse, I beg. Sell food.
Sorry, Tola.
No verse, Tola.
They carry talk.
No verse.
No verse, nah. You don't dey verse. Oh yeah, sorry.
Means that you'll be fine all by yourself.
Sincerely, sis, I promise I'll be fine.
Okay, if you insist. I'll tell Auntie Ngozi that you're here alone, and if you need anything, just let her know. She'll also come around and check up on you once in a while, okay?
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Baby sis,
Bro.
you're going out,
Yes.
but you promised to help me with the house party. You know Ivy's coming today.
I know. I'm so sorry. I didn't plan to disappoint you. Remember my best friend now, eh? She's coming in from America today and her boyfriend is supposed to pick her up, but he had an emergency, so I have to stand in for him. I'm sorry.
This is not fair.
I'm sorry, bro. I'll make it up to you, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Just drive safe.
Are you angry?
Just drive safe.
I'm sorry, okay? All right? Okay? I'll see you later, okay? God, I don't even know what to do, eh?
Sorry I'm putting you through all this stress, baby girl. Well, where do I even start from? Ma, I'm so sorry. I didn't even see you there. I'm trying to clear. Are you stupid? Are you mad? How can you call me what's up? Are you crazy? Calm down. Relax. Are you mad? Relax. How dare you pour water on my skin? Are you crazy? I'm sorry. I didn't. Don't touch me. It's okay. That's why I will kill you. Are you mad? Oh, okay. Don't tell him to calm down. Relax. Take my dress. Sorry. Come on, take it easy. Why you make me go to the boutique and get myself another outfit? Are you stupid? You did. Oh my God, calm down. Jesus. Please, relax. I know you're angry. Just calm down. I will kill this. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Look at me, talking to calm down. Look at my body. Relax. You're on the street. This is because of you. That's the reason for all of this.
Wow. Okay. This is lovely. Whoa. Baby.
Hey.
Like you have really outdone yourself. This is so beautiful. A welcome party and now this thing. I must say I'm loving this. I am so loving this.
I love you. And I'm really happy you're back. So.
Ooh! Sonia! Hi! So good to see you.
It's been a minute.
Well, I'm so happy to see you, my darling. Come back. Thank you. Nice. Thank you.
Hey.
Hi, bro.
Hi. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You don't look fine. What's it?
I'm okay.
Hey, come on. You know you can talk to me. What is it?
Bro, there's this mannerless girl, this stupid girl that poured dirty water on me today. Can you imagine? She poured dirty water on me. I had to go and buy new clothes from the boutique. Can you imagine? One stupid local girl. But guess what? I am glad I beat her to stupor. In fact, I injured her and I'm so happy.
Wait, you did what? You beat her?
Were you expecting me to hug her and kiss her for pouring me dirty water?
Sonia, since when did you become a tout? How can you beat up an innocent person just because the person did a mistake of pouring you water? Don't you think you went too far?
Bro, are you supporting a stranger over your sister?
Look, I'm not supporting anybody over you, okay? I'm just saying you went too far beating her. An innocent person at that. And I'm sure the girl didn't fight you back. Did she fight back?
Fight me back? Is she stupid? Is she mad? She was just standing there helplessly as if she did not do it intentionally, begging for her life.
Hey. You need to go and apologize. You need to go and apologize.
Excuse me? Why should I go and apologize to someone who poured dirty water on me? I don't understand you. Why?
Look, just be the bigger person. Go there and apologize. You're a race better.
Wow. Okay. I've had a rough day, okay? Please, I want to go to bed.
Eh? Big head. You're asking me to leave your room.
Good night.
You just need to apologize.
Because listen. Can you imagine?
Peace. You will not believe what happened to me. It's a good thing that I didn't even call. So this lady just mistakenly poured water on her and she... Peace. Are you sleeping already? Peace, I'm back. Peace. 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 Wait. Peace. Doctor, how is she?
She's fine. She's stable.
Oh God. She can come home soon. Yes. But Tora, we didn't need to go ahead with the eye surgery and other treatments. We don't need to wait too long.
I know. I'm doing everything I can to raise the money.
I know, Tora, but you need to try more. You need to try more so that we help her.
I'll do my best, I promise. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm here.
Sister,
Yes?
aren't you going to sell food today?
No. Since you've decided not to follow me because of what people will say,
and stay here all by yourself, alone. I've decided to quit so that I can stay here and look after you.
But sister, how are we going to foot all bills?
Please, you don't expect me to go to work and leave you here all by yourself. What if something happens to you? Do you know how you scared me when I got back from work and saw you unconscious? That was very scary, and I do not want to experience that again. I cannot risk another scare. So I'll stay here and we'll find another way to survive. God will provide, okay?
Are you sure?
Look, don't worry yourself about it, okay? I told you not to bother yourself about any bills. I'll find another source of income. Something that will not make people talk down on you. Something that will not have anything to do with food. Okay?
She didn't say hello to you.
I don't know. But she's fine.
Are you sure about it?
He poured water on her. She beat the girl up like she's a criminal.
Wait, Dios, that's intense. So what if she didn't do it on purpose?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
So what happened after?
Nothing. The girl didn't do anything. She just kept apologizing.
She couldn't even defend herself.
Bro, she didn't defend herself. Nothing at all. She was just begging for her life.
Let me ask you one question. Do you believe in this saying that life is spiritual?
What do you mean by that?
No. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm not trying to scare you. Just that, some things are deeper than they appear. How can Sonia see a girl that she knows nothing about? She just beat her up like that. And the girl didn't even say it. The girl did not even retaliate. Instead, she kept apologizing. Would you want to mess up with such a person and then walk away?
I don't understand. Are you insinuating that this girl can harm Sonia?
No, that's not what I'm saying. You know that life does not respond in an obvious way. I hope you know. Tell her. Let her calm down. Go to her. Apologize to her. Not because she's scared, but because peace can protect you from what you don't even understand. Sure you get. I mean, let's do this thing right.
Hi, girlfriend. How you doing?
Babe, what's up? How you doing?
I'm okay. And you? You good?
I'm good.
Okay. Baby, I'm so sorry I couldn't, call you back the other day. I went to see Chief Olaniyan the other day. I traveled to Abuja for a quick trip.
Babe, why?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you doing this again?
What? I went to see Chief Olaniyan. They need to get that.
Blessed you with a fine, sweet guy who loves you with everything. A guy who adores you. Ivan, you better be careful.
Girl, please just spare me with all of that, please. Older men turn me on better. There's this feeling I get with older men. I can't really explain it. I beg, it's something that I really cherish, please.
Don't use your own hands to push God's blessings away. This is your fantasy, eh? It's crazy.
I will not push my own blessings, but I know you care about me, but please take it chill, pill. Okay? Right now, I don't think I'll be the first to do this. Neither would I be the last, so please. I've had like 4 older men. I had to drop 3 because of Jude. Haven't I tried enough? I beg, I don't try you. Please leave me alone, please. It's my body.
Just be careful, okay? I'm only looking out for you as a friend.
I know you love me and you're looking out for me, so please, thank you. Okay? Bye. I love you.
Jesus!
Babe, what happened? Why did you scream like that?
Huh? Did I scare you? It's something I saw online.
Online?
Yeah, look.
Okay.
A neighbor maltreated this really young boy, and 3 days later, the neighbor dies mysteriously.
Yeah. I think this is that boss media boy, right?
Yeah.
Honestly, I saw it, and if you ask me, that was so creepy. I just feel like it's not a coincidence.
But
The comment section, they seem to think otherwise. They think something happened to the guy spiritually. Because the boy didn't touch the guy physically, but spiritually, they think something kind of fought for the boy.
And I feel the same. Yes, I do. Because, baby, come on. Life is so spiritual, if you ask me.
You believe so?
Yeah,
You believe in the spiritual things?
of course I do. Baby, why do you think I'm always careful with people? Because you never can tell who you might just, offend.
Okay. Ah, you know what? They go somewhere.
Go where?
There's just something I need to. I left. I have to sort. Okay, so let me just go. I need to freshen up and go get.
And you have to do it like now?
Yes, just right now.
What it is, babe.
Hello, Timmy. Good day. How are you? How's everything? Hope you're good.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. I'm quite good. Sorry for calling you by this time of the day. It's such and impromptu, of course, out of the blues.
Is everything alright, sir?
Yeah, everything is, but please, I'll be needing your help. Something happened the day you guys came back into the country. Sonia had an altercation with someone. She even poured the person water and assaulted the person. I don't know if you know that incident. I was thinking, can you help take me there to the place this thing happened, please?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm kind of tied up right now.
Oh, tell me, please. Look, this thing is really important to me, more important than you think. Okay, I'm willing to even compensate you, say maybe even pay you just so I can get there and get to the person.
That sounds tricky, sir. It's one of those inside streets. You might get lost if I try to direct you alone.
Okay, so can you please help come take me there, please?
Is it that serious, sir?
It is. Please. I'm begging.
Alright then. Please share me your location. I'll meet you there soon.
All right, thank you. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome.
All right.
Oh, God.
So, this is the place?
Yes, that's the place she stays.
It's here.
Yes, there. Sorry, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, there's a lady that sells food around here with a wheelbarrow.
Oh, this lady here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I've not seen her for the past few days.
Oh my God.
I've not seen her. And I never even used her, see herself. Even though for the two other streets when she did really sell food, I never see her.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I just pray she's fine. Because I don't know why she's not here.
I don't know. Timmy.
Yes.
So, please, I need you to help me keep this between us. Sonia is not ready to apologize, so I want to do it on her behalf. I don't know, just don't let her in on this, okay?
Sincerely, I understand. I won't tell her.
Thank you. I really appreciate you bringing me here. I'll still circle back once in a while so that I could see if I'll find her.
It's okay, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Timmy.
You're welcome, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, the car, landlord. You're welcome, sir. Welcome, landlord.
I come for my rent.
Sir?
You heard me now? I come for my rent.
Sir, please, I want to beg you for something. Please, Ejo, can you please give me to the end of the month? I promise you, I'll sort it out. Please, just the end of the month. Please, Oga landlord, I beg.
Sort it out. Sort it out, how? I heard that around that you don't go out to sell your food. How do you plan to pay me?
Are you hungry? Just buy a watermelon here.
This is watermelon.
Buy a watermelon here. I think I'm hungry too. Buy a watermelon.
Nana, what is the meaning of this?
Sir?
What is the meaning of all this? There's a complaint against you. They brought your complaint to the estate gates. The owner of this house reported you, and he said he has warned you several not to be selling here. He has a CCTV. He's disturbing his business. He's disturbing the security of his compound. Let this be your first and last, or you'll be selling anything here.
We'll be living here now, sir.
Let's move all these things.
No, please stop! No! Please, I beg you! Please stop!
What is this?
Please
What
stop! No!
Let it be the first and last I will see you here.
No! Please, I beg you, please! Sir, please!
Next time I see you here again, you are going to prison. Next time I see you here, you're going to prison. The man has a CCTV here. You are disturbing the security of his house and his business. And let it be your first and last.
No, sir, please! No! Oh my God! I'm actually looking for another source of income. I don't want to just keep doing the food business.
Okay.
Besides, my sister's condition. I can't always leave her all by herself. Please, Oga landlord, please do this one for me. I will pay you.
Sam, Tola. I have been considerate.
I know.
Because of your sister.
Thank you, sir.
I'm not a wicked man, no.
I know.
But please, don't make me to turn into one. You have till month ending to pay me. If my rent doesn't come in, I'll be forced to throw you out, oh.
It will come. It will come.
Don't say I didn't tell you.
It will come. Thank you, Oga landlord. Thank you, Eshego. Thank you, Oga landlord. God bless you. Nice man.
She's not here.
Oh. That auntie wey dey sell food, why she no come today? Abi she self don blind? Which kind? Oh, she no come today again. Abi make I go chop bread and beans again. The bread and beans wey I chop yesterday, the thing just dey pour me. God, wetin I go do?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon, bro.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, sorry. The lady that sells food here, do you know where she stays?
Why you dey ask? Abi you wan buy food too?
Well, I'm her family member, like a family friend, and I've been trying to reach her since I couldn't. So I've asked people about her, where she stays, but nobody seems to know where she stays. So I just want to check if she's okay.
Me sef na she I come find sef. Me I know I saw even far from my own sef, but I don't know where she dey come out normally. She dey come out every month, but today she no even. I no see her.
Oh, okay. So can you please take me to where she stays?
Alright, sure say no problem, because that auntie she be very private person. She know they follow person. She know they do gaga.
No, there's no problem at all. I just want to check on her.
You know, say we go do on the Lagos way and Lagos we dey now. If I carry you go find me small thing now use so body.
But you're sure you know where she stays?
And the place not even far from my side. You know too far like that.
All right, no problem. I'll give you the small thing, right? Well, you're sure you don't want to enter the car?
No, I go to walk, they come.
Okay. Since you say you don't want to use the car now, I'll do what?
Just they come, I go, just they come.
All right, sure.
They come. On the motor fine. They come. Thank you. I know saying you not talk and do a me.
Hey, what's happen? Who be this? Sir, sorry, I beg. Who you be? Who are you?
My name is Jude Adeleke. I am the brother to the lady who had an altercation with you. The one you poured water and you guys, she kind of like hit you and all of that.
I apologized. It was clearly a mistake. Why are you here? To arrest me a bit, to complete the beating?
No, on the contrary, I'm actually here to apologize. What my sister did was really wrong and she was out of line. Please forgive her.
It's okay. I've forgiven her and it's fine.
Yeah, still, I just needed to say it, you know. She was just having a bad day and she took it all out on you and that wasn't fair. So, really sorry.
Like I said, I've forgiven her and it's all in the past now. I don't even remember it anymore.
All right, I appreciate this.
Peace. I'm here. What's happening again?
No.
I'm here. I'm just a stranger.
Okay.
Do you need something?
Look at the kind of person she... Just imagine the kind of person Sonia was very arrogant to. Is it fair? Already life is dealing with her. Look at where she stays and a blind sister. She has to be careful.
What? Her sister is blind?
Bro, I'm telling you, she is blind. I can't believe it. And you need to see the place they stay. I didn't know people still stay in such places.
Is that the same girl that Sonia injured?
Exactly what I'm saying. How can you be so arrogant to such a person? How can you maltreat a person that is already carrying the whole world on her shoulders?
That's heavy. So heavy.
Well, I already apologized. And she said she has forgiven Sonia, but for some reason I'm not convinced.
Why? You think she's still angry?
No, I don't think she's angry. I just feel she feels, you know, maltreated, like she feels oppressed and cheated, you know.
So what do you think now?
I don't know. And I'm thinking I should maybe do something to help instead of just walking away like that.
But she said she has forgiven Sonia.
I know. But it still doesn't just feel right to just leave everything like that. I should do something.
You might be right. Well, whatever you decide, just know that I got your back, okay? No wahala now.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Tola, at this point, there's nothing I can do about this. I've given you enough time. I need to give you a room to another person so that you can move out.
Sir, please.
It's been over a year and I've been pardoning you all this while. Now I beg I want chop.
Please, I beg you.
Now I beg I want chop.
I promise you, I will pay. Just give me a little more time. Okay, I've decided to go back to my food business. That way I will make money and pay you. I don't even mind at this point if my sister is spoiling business for me. I beg you, please don't throw us out, please.
See, there's nothing I can do about it. That's your own headache. No. You don't understand.
It's okay, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
I'm her friend.
Is he your friend?
No, yes. No, Lord, please now, please.
You have a polished friend like this, and you're suffering and you have not paid me?
I'm sorry, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Do you mind if I see you?
Oh, sure. Sure, let's go.
You didn't have to go as far as paying my rent, sir.
I wanted to.
But I already told you I've forgiven your sister.
I know, but I just really wanted to.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's okay. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Your sister, was she born that way?
No, she wasn't. It happened to her after she was involved in an accident a few years ago.
So it's like partial blindness.
That's what the doctor called it.
Then there should be some sort of cure or medication or so, procedures.
Yes. Surgery. He said she could regain her sight after the surgery procedure.
And why have you not done the surgery?
Because I have not been able to raise the funds. I'm still trying to.
What hospital is that?
Havila Hospital.
Havila Hospital. Where is it?
Thomas Jones.
Thomas Jones. Oh, okay. All right. Look, I got you this. All right. Look, don't say no. All right. If you've truly forgiven my sister, then you would accept these provisions. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yeah. All right. Babe, your phone is ringing.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's ringing again. Should I take it?
No! Take what? No, what? Ah! Why do you want to stress yourself like that? Ha! My love, come on. I don't like stressing you, know that already. Hello? Hi. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, yes, of course, I'll do the transfer.
Hello, doctor. Good evening, sir. Is everything okay?
Sister, what happened?
Please, guess what? You'll be having your eye surgery. Yes, the money has been paid for everything. Oh God, thank you, Jesus. You're going to see again.
They are begging, pleading for me to come, and they want me to have this sorted out, like, very quick.
But you just came back, babe. You can just be jetting off anyhow now. We have a wedding to plan. We need to start making arrangements.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. But my love, I don't know, like, my love, don't you think we're moving too fast?
Too fast? What do you mean by that?
Because we barely just met 6 months ago.
Babe, it's not about the time. It's not about how long, okay? It's about how well, how good. All right? That's what matters. I'm an intentional man, and I've been intentional towards you since the day I met you. I took you to meet my mom just last weekend, didn't I? Babe, I am going to marry you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you, okay?
Okay. Fine. Fine. I accept, okay? Okay, I promise you when I go for this trip and I come back,
we'll start planning. Okay?
Fine, all right. I just don't want to lose you.
Oh, come on. Don't say that. You would never lose me, okay? Hmm? I love you.
I love you too.
See, Jude, you see, I don't want it to look like I'm interfering in all of this, but don't you think you're taking this too far? I mean, you have paid for her sister's surgery. You have paid off their rent, and then you have bought them stores. Do you want to kill yourself?
I know, right? You know, I don't know what. I just feel like helping. I can afford it, so... Bro, in some way, I just feel responsible for them. So why not?
Well, it's okay. I mean, it's your thing. You have to do what you have to do. But still, I still think you need to slow down. It is not that deep now.
Okay, boss.
Who is your boss?
I'm not your own boss now. I'm not your boss.
You are whining me, Abby. I beg you.
Let's go.
So where are we going now?
I don't know yet. I have absolutely no idea. If you leave me now, I'll go to stop at one supermarket and buy something for them.
Okay, oh, so tired.
Oh, hello, sir. I know. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything. God bless you. God bless you, sir. Yes, we are packing up to head out now. Oh, no, sir, please don't apologize. You have done more than enough already. Thank you so much. You're a godsend. God will bless you for me. Thank you, sir. All right, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you so much. She'll hear. Amen. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything. Bye. Fine, let's go. Okay.
Bro, why are you just coming home by this time? I mean, where do you even go these days? You used to stay home during the weekends. What's going on?
I want to clean up a mess.
A mess? What mess? I don't understand.
You know what? I'm tired, okay? I just want to go to my room, take a shower, and sleep.
Wait. At least won't you eat? I eventually made your favorite.
Thank you, but I'll pass.
Like, I mean, what is wrong with him? Today is happy, tomorrow is moody.
Oh my goodness. Now you're trying to make me blush. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. All right. I love you. I said I love you. Don't you get it?
I don't get it, Chief. You're not going to get married to me. Yeah, he's going to get married to me. In fact, you can never marry me. You think I want to do this with you forever? Is that what you think?
Oh, I see. It's because of marriage. Ivy, you see, this enjoyment, I want it to be permanent. I'll marry you, my fair.
You'll marry me? As what? As what now? As your fourth wife? Hell no. I beg, Chief, please. Chief, I beg.
But men along we, you will be the fourth and the final bus stop. Look,
So, I'm capable. My fair. Yes.
In that case, since you want to marry me,
Uh-huh.
why you go and divorce all your wives so I can be the only wife?
Oh.
Make it happen.
That's extreme.
You think it's extreme, right? Chief, I'm young. Look at me. I'm beautiful. I have dreams. I want my own family. Also, you think I want to become a fourth wife, having a polygamous home? I don't want that for myself. Please, I beg, Chief, please. Just maintain. Let's be doing what we're doing.
You know you just broke my heart.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you go survive, okay? Chief, you survive. You'll be fine.
The surgery was successful and it took longer than we expected. We were all scared. But we thank God. It ended in praise. I just got back. I'm tired and drained.
That's good news. Thank God.
Yeah.
I said.
Yeah. So I was thinking of getting them an apartment. Yeah, a place to stay. You know, the sister needs to recover and she needs a safe place. That place they stay
Is that necessary?
I think so.
Hey, look, I'm not insinuating anything, but you said you paid their rent, right? And then you paid the hospital bills.
Yeah.
And you bought them stuff. What more do you want to do for them? What's wrong with you?
But I've seen the place they stay, and trust me, that place is really depressing. And the sister needs a good place to recover. If she's going to recover at all, then she needs a place that is, that is peaceful.
Is there anything you're not telling me?
I don't understand.
Like, I think there's more to this, and you're not telling me.
I just want to help, that's all. There's nothing to it.
Well, it's your choice. It's a choice.
Hey, Chisa.
Thank you. My name is Jude. Just call me Jude, not Sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for everything, Jude. We
It's
really
fine.
appreciate it.
It's okay. How's Peace?
She's sleeping.
Okay. I'm sorry. I have to take this call. My girlfriend is calling. Hey, baby. What's up? How are you? Okay. The one that gives me joy. The only person I love. My sugar. All right. That's good. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. You want me to do something for you? Okay. Yeah, I'll be leaving where I am in, say, 10, 15 minutes. Get it done. All right. I'll talk to you later. All right. Be good. Hey, I'm so sorry. My girlfriend called. She wants me to do something for her, so I'll have to leave. All right. Thanks.
Okay.
So just help me keep this. I'll see you some other time, okay? Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Sorry.
I've told you, Jude. Just call me Jude. That's my name.
Okay.
Aren't we friends?
Good morning, Jude.
How are you and how is your sister, Peace?
I'm fine, thank you. Peace has gone to her jam lesson.
Is she fit enough to go for it?
Oh, well, I guess so. She has been so eager. I didn't want to hold her back. Besides, the jam lessons are only for Saturdays.
Okay, fair enough. Yo, yeah, so come, I want to show you some pictures. Yeah. So these are pictures of restaurants. I want you to pick the one you think is best, the one you like, and that's going to be yours.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm opening the restaurant for you.
It's God sent. Sometimes I wish you.
I'll stop you right there. I know what you want to say. But you see, Mr. Jude has a girlfriend. And he's very loyal to her. Besides, it's not every man that is nice to you that wants something in return, okay? So stop thinking like that.
You didn't even allow me land.
I already know where your thoughts are headed. Okay? So don't go there. Just come back. Come out of it. Let's just see him as the big brother we never had. Okay?
Okay.
So, just let's get your order first thing. We talk about the business, you know. But the idea is really crazy, you know. It's something that I feel like, yes, she is.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Jude.
My friend, Ray. We've actually known each other for a long time, and he's my business partner.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
Pleasure is mine.
So, can I take your orders?
Yeah, get him your jollof and chicken. I bragged about it. I told him it's the best in town. And then get me a cup of juice.
Okay, coming right away.
All right, thank you.
Hey, this baby is beautiful. I think I like her.
What is that supposed to mean?
You want to swallow me? I said I like her. Can't you allow the singles to do that? Am I not single?
Guy, I mean it. Stay clear from her. She's off limits.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious. Now let's go back to the business of why we're here.
Wait. That one can wait. This one is still important. Don't you have IV? You want to carry everybody? It's okay now. You have IV. Well, IV, don't forget.
That's not the point. Just stay clear.
Okay. So, you're not eating?
I had something from him.
Oh. That is a bit better be sweeter. You're bragging a lot about this. Oh, this is good.
Oh, I asked for juice actually, but this is not bad.
Bro, I've been meaning to ask you something.
Okay, what is it?
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, sir. A delivery man came to deliver this parcel for you.
Alright, just drop it. I'll look at it later.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Fred is not beating the allegation soon.
It'll be okay.
Okay, if you say so. You said you wanted to tell me something.
Do you think I should tell Ivy about Tola and her sister?
Tell Ivy about Tola and Peace. Why?
I don't know. I mean, I moved them to the island. I got her a restaurant. They're now part of my life, so I feel like Ivy needs to know what's going on.
No, you're not doing any such thing. You're not. You're not dating Tola now, are you?
Well,
in fact, telling Ivy, you'll be complicating issues for yourself.
I'm not dating her. I'm dating Ivy, of course, but is that not the point? Transparency, like I feel like I need to tell.
Oh, Jude. Don't you know women? You don't know how they reason? See, if you do this, she will read 1,001 meanings to it, and then you'll start defending yourself for what you know nothing about.
I know, but I just still feel like I should tell her, you know? Just so that it's there that I said it. It's just there.
Is there anything that I need to know about this? Is there any skeleton in your cupboard that I need to know?
Of course not.
Then forget it. You have done more than enough for Tola and her sister. In fact, that chapter is closed. I'm not part of it anymore.
You think so?
I know so. Please, spare yourself unnecessary drama now.
It's not 3 days. I'm so happy that...
Has it picked yet?
No. He still hasn't even replied any of my messages.
Are you sure everything is fine with him?
I really don't know. I just hope he's okay.
Maybe you should keep trying. I'm sure it's nothing serious. Maybe work stuff or it traveled. Anyway, I'm heading out for my lesson.
Okay. Let me know when you get there, okay?
Alright, I will. Bye.
Bye, take care. Please, what's...
Babe? Babe, your phone is ringing.
Hey,
I
excuse me, I have to take this. Hey. So, what up?
What just happened now? I guess it's not what I'm thinking, right? Jude can... Nah. Jude can never cheat. That's not his style. My man can never cheat. It's not possible. Or maybe I'm just overthinking. I'm just overthinking. It's not possible. Hi.
Are you okay? Is something wrong?
I'm good.
Are you sure? Because you don't look good at all.
I'm fine.
Babe, really, you can talk to me. What's the problem?
Nothing. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay. You've not asked me how was work today.
Oh, my bad. So how did work go today?
Fine.
Okay. Okay.
Come here.
Great to hear.
Mm-hmm. Come.
Hey.
I love you.
I love you too.
Guy, can you imagine Mr. Fred wants me to handle the presentation to the new client? Not only that, I'm supposed to do the whole pitching on my own laptop. My laptop.
Is that why you're getting yourself worked up? Leave it now. Just do it and move on now.
Move on. Really? For how long?
That's what I think.
Bro, you seem to forget that this whole business plan was my idea. It was my idea, yes. I just pitched it to him out of goodwill. I was supposed to use it on the company. But now he won't let me rest since I told him. Keeps disturbing me with it. Sending me works, parcel after parcel every week.
Well, I'm sorry about that anyways. But I think what you should do is wait till the end of the year. Just call him, sit him down, tell him to continue like this. You know, he will need to assign it properly, or he hires someone else to do it for him. You can't continue like this now. But for now, we'll still have those for a few months, you know, to the end of the year. Then you can do it.
I really just can't wait to be out of this whole nonsense.
You'll be fine. Trust me, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. You're still the boss.
Boss, I have my company.
Does he care?
Jesus. Who are you? How dare you? Oh, so you think you can snatch my man away from me, right? You want to snatch Jude away from me? They never born you, I swear to God.
Jude? Oh, no, ma, you're mistaken.
If you say one more word, I swear to God, I'm going to blind your face.
Jude and I are not doing anything. We are just friends. He's like a brother to me.
Yes, like a brother to me. That is like, okay. Oh, wow. That's how they start to. From that, you enter bedroom. What? Thunder will fire you. It's like they're gonna kill you there.
You are very wrong.
You are very wrong. We'll kill you. So, I'm coming out.
Please don't do that. Don't call her that.
Oh, wow. Wow! Let me just tell you something. Let me just make this very clear to you. I have done my background search and I know what girls like you can do. In this Lagos, that I'm their leader, you don't learn work now. You don't learn work! Let me just tell you, if you ever try to see me, if you see my man coming here, you move there, I will kill you. I will take you down 6 feet below. Try me.
Man, there's nothing going on, I swear.
I swear too! I also swear. If you right there, go and tell my man. When you see Jude, go and tell him. What? I'm coming, wait. Boys! Go inside.
Ma, please. It hasn't got into this.
Okay.
Ma, please.
I beg you, Huh? I don't get it. You're in Lagos. Why? What happened?
I just wanted to surprise you, Ni.
Surprise me? Chief, this is not how to surprise me, Haba. Please just tell me why you're here, please, okay? This is no surprise. And because I know you came here for a reason. What is it? What happened?
Baby. I'm here to settle some things. I'll be around for like 2 weeks, and I need you by my side. Every day.
You need me by your side every day? Nah, Chief, it's not possible, okay? Listen, Chief, my mother-in-law-to-be is around and we're planning my wedding, so what do I tell my boyfriend?
Please, don't even mention that boy's name. It's disgusting. Forget him. I've got loads of goodies for you.
Chief, please, okay, just tell me why you came here. What do I tell my boyfriend? That's all my concern.
Just tell him one of those lies you always tell now. It's just 2 weeks. Look, Ivy, walk your way around it. You know I love you. And I miss you.
Chief, just try to... Chief?
Jude, I honestly think that at this point, you need to involve the police.
Right.
That's what I think right now.
Because I've been thinking, bro. It's not just adding up, right? Like, it's over 2 weeks. No calls, no texts, nothing. That's strange. All right, I went there and yeah, they say she traveled, but no confirmation, nothing. I don't know, but something just tells me that something is not right.
Exactly. All these whole stories, all these whole things, is not adding up at all. At all.
Everyone.
Hello, Mom. Good afternoon. I'm fine. Good afternoon. Yes, Mom.
How are your parents?
Yeah, fine. Thank you, Mom.
Your mom.
Yeah, fine. They're doing well.
Good to have you around.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah. And son, I don't know if you're busy.
No. Not at the moment. Anything?
Listen. I'd like you to get this supplement for me from the supermarket.
This one?
Yes, this particular one. This one I need it.
Okay. Fine. I'll just need to go get my car keys.
All right. Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow then. Please go get one of those stores.
All right. Thanks for coming. Yeah?
Thank you, man.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. My car keys. Ivy threatened you. My God.
She didn't just threaten me. She was violent towards me and my sister. She hit us. She hit her. And Peace was unconscious.
Jesus Christ.
She thought that something was going on between you and I. And she did all her findings and she found out that nothing happened. And that's how she left us.
Ivy did all of that.
I had to move out from the apartment to get a place smaller for us to stay. Even the restaurant, I've not been going there for our safety. Please, you don't have to tell her that we saw. She threatened me that if I tell you what happened, that she was going to come back and finish the job. Please, for our safety, don't mention it to her, please.
So how is Peace right now?
She's getting better.
Oh my God.
Please don't tell her, please.
Thank you, Mom. Oh, Ivy.
Nice. I enjoyed it.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. All right. Good night.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Mom. All right. Good night.
Thank you so much, my beautiful sister-in-law, for this meal. I enjoyed it.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I really enjoyed it.
Welcome. Good night.
Good night.
Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Okay.
Okay. Babe, I have this 2-week symposium meeting that I have to attend. They've been calling me, pleading for me to attend, but I told them nah, because my wedding plans is coming up pretty soon, and I just can't, I can't. I can't go. Nah, I can't go. It's not possible.
It's okay. You can go.
Just like that?
Yeah, babe, you can. I said you can go. Right after the wedding, this whole thing stops. So for now, you can go.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, just go do your thing.
What? Ivy did all that?
Telling you. I wanted to tell her.
You told me to tell her. Still wouldn't have changed anything. Even if I told her, she would have still done the same thing. What's the point? She overreacted completely.
Well, honestly, I don't know what to do. The problem is I love Ivy so much to really take out my frustration on her. Yeah. I just had to agree to an impromptu meeting just so I can pull myself together. But what she did really hurt me. It did.
It's okay. I get it. I mean, she's trying to protect her territory, right? But she overreacted.
Yes, she overreacted. But what she did really hurt me. I just hope I can really get myself to forgive her.
You will. You will. How is Tola and Peace?
Yeah, they're fine. I went to see them yesterday. I got them some stuff, gave them money, and I apologized to them. I told them that I was sorry. For the way they were treated. They don't deserve to be treated the way they've been. But with 2 people now from my house, 2 people from my family. First it was Sonia, and now it is Ivy. Huh?
That's
really?
Crazy. That's crazy.
Why won't they just let them breathe? Mr. Fred, tomorrow is his client's meeting.
Better pick up before he comes for your head.
My head? Yeah, I will beat him. Who is he?
What do you want to use?
Look at this one. Get up, I beg.
Babe, I'm in trouble. I have lost everything. I have lost everything. Oh my God, I'm not okay. I'm not fine at all. I'm not fine one bit. You won't believe that Jude and Chief Olani, you are relatives. Yes, they are relatives. God. Jude just appeared at the hotel where we were lodged. Baby, if you see the way they hugged, Omo, it just blessed me. Make just die. Make God open. Make just enter inside ground. Make God just swallow me. I don't believe my eyes. What am I going to do? I don't even know what to do. I'm just in a big mess. I'm in trouble. I can't believe I'm gonna lose on both ends like this. Baby, if you see the way the mother threw my things, she just fling up. I'm not be. In fact, where you dey? Where are you? Just tell me, sir. I'll come and meet you because as I did, my body dey shake. I know they okay. I beg, I'm coming.
Well, my dear twin sister, Okpe, you should be thanking God. Because Jude just dodged a bullet. That girl, God forbid. Look, that girl is the kind of girl that we've been passing around in Abuja. Amantoni. Amanto set ni. You know Honorable K? That's my friend. Oloti Lambe. Look, I've known her for a while. She'll be thanking God. I don't like this mood I'm seeing.
Abajo. No wonder she has been off and on, jumping up and down, all in the name of conferences.
Chloe?
That's what she keeps telling my son.
Conference, Nebo. That is another lie from the pit of hell. Conference! Oh, okay. My bad. Maybe it's conference actually. You know, she's in the conference room and myself and my friends will be attending to her conference. Chloe! Ọmọ yẹn. Bó ṣe máa gẹ̀dí ni. Bí ẹ ṣe race course. Àwọn ọmọ máa gbà fún yíyí gbàgà, yíyí gbogbo. Náà máa ní pé yíyí yòlò, yíyí àlà. Oh, mommy! You should be thankful that this is happening. Yeah?
Jesus Christ. Strange things are really happening in this world.
No, my dear, there is no strange thing happening. This is an eyesore. You can see it. It's very clear. That girl is not good for you at all. Koda. Look, she used to tell me that she have one boyfriend. I never knew that. It's my own nephew.
Your mommy now.
Oti, Ojo, possible. That's why I'm wondering. You don't know the person you are talking about. Yeah? Ashanka. Àwọn yan Ashanko. Ọmọ tá à ń sọ yìí. Tó bá gbé nǹkan tó wà lábẹ́ tó bá gbé sẹ́nu báyìí. A máa yí bí steering ni. A máa yí báyìí. Àwọn náà máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé wọ́n á pa mú. Mo bí kọ́ni ṣe máa mú yàn. Kí ni you should be thankful to me. You will say, my brother this, my brother that. You see, I'm useful. Can you see? If not for me now, you wouldn't have dodged this bullet. So if you don't like kind of face you are wearing, you should be thankful. Be happy. Look, let me tell you one thing you don't understand. You don't understand this thing. So I will tell you. Men like us are good for the society. Yes. We have our own good ways. See, it was because she met Jude. That was why she was telling me about marriage. Because you mentioned about marriage, Abi. She now told me that, please, I want you to marry me. Nibo, Emi, Makanaki. Me that I know that my friends are eating her. I will not marry such a lady. Ojo. It's not good for her. That's it. You should be happy. Don't like this mood.
You needed to see how I threw her things out of this house.
Hey.
She, Papa, she didn't believe her eyes.
Look, I would have done the same thing if I were in your situation. Oh, come on here. You should be happy. I don't like the face you are wearing. You should be happy. Yeah. Well, I don't know what people are thinking, but me, I think this is God's doing. God has done this one. You should be happy. That's good. I would have done the same thing. You don't know what I'm talking about, though. Come on. Look, you know I like women. Yes, I'm flirty and I'm proud of it. You know, I like women and I know, and I'm proud of it. But I will have nothing to do with that girl again.
I'll go and look for a fresher fish. That's how we will. What is You should be thankful.
I mean, I didn't know. I didn't know it's this deep. I had no idea. He wasn't telling me anything.
Yes, he did. He went all in. I mean, he couldn't bear the thought of losing his own sister. And you know, they said life is spiritual, so it was everything for you.
I mean, I knew he was acting up, but I just felt like maybe he did his work. I never knew he was going through all these things because of me. I never knew. I never knew. I had no idea. Now I feel so terrible. I feel so bad.
Sonia, I don't think there's any point crying. I mean, all we need to do now is to, stand by him. Make sure he gets back on his feet. Okay? This is heartbreak, and I'm very sure it's going to take a very long while to come by it. Okay? So stop crying. All right? Please.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for my nonchalant attitude, my silence, everything. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's fine. I've forgiven you.
Thank you. What about the sister?
She's fine. She's getting better now.
No. With all these things about Ivy, my brother has not been himself. He's haunted. He's in a bad situation. He needs help. He really needs help.
So the feeling is mutual.
Yes.
Oh, this is the happiest moment of my life then.
Me too. And thank you. The way you took care of me and my sister, the way you looked after us. I mean, it would have been difficult not to fall in love with you.
Come in.
Thank you. Sorry, Rola. Hey. Good day, ma. Good day. Thank you. Bye, ma.
Hey guys. So I have something I want to say. Ella, you've been my peace, my joy, and my everything ever since you walked into my life. You know, with you, I feel safe. So, will you marry me?
Oh my God!
Thank you.
Of my sister-in-law.
You're welcome.
Congratulations. Thank you. Oh my God! Welcome to my
Mama.